Morning from Praia das Pastoras, and today is 4th of February 2024, a wonderful Sunday. It is 10 a.m. and I'm on my first beach adventure for today here in Porto. And this is day 3 and last day of my beach adventures here, as I'm exploring now the coast of that is closest to the Porto Centre actually, and belongs to Porto City as well. So yes, Porto is an amazing city, and it's also one of the few cities in the world that the whole city is a UNESCO World Site Heritage because of its cultural differences and the way of living here. People have been living for years. And it's very lovely in the city center. I have been there yesterday, and I have also visited this city in 2017. So now for these 3 days while I was here, my main goal was beach adventures. So on day 1, I did make 15 beach adventures. Yesterday I did 10, and today I aim for from 5 to 8. We're gonna see, because I have a flight to catch at 3:20 p.m. So let's see how it goes. I'm filming this with my Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra because my GoPro died yesterday all of a sudden. It doesn't start up. So I need to check up with my warranty there how it's going on, because I was just filming on the along the beach, like it was dry, so, and it just died off by itself. I couldn't start a new film, and I tried with different batteries, and I need to check that up. So thank God I have my mobile phone with me that have decent videos as well. I'm filming this in Ultra HD, It has 8K resolution, but I don't have that much of memory space. So yes, currently it is 13 degrees Celsius in the air, so quite chilly, but it's going to be warmer later, up to 18. And in the sea, I mean the ocean, this is the Atlantic Ocean, it is 13.7 degrees. And we're gonna then check it out how it is, as this is my first beach of the day. So let's go! Yahoo! Now that was a wonderful swim to start the day. It was a bit chilly, but to be fair, now it is the same temperature as it is in the air and in the ocean. So I'm really happy. So beach one for the day done. I'm gonna swim a bit more here off camera and enjoy and prepare for the next beach adventure. So thanks a lot for watching. Greetings from Praia das Pastoras, the most central beach, I would say, and it's quite small here in Porto. Thanks for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.